What's going on YouTube? So today I have another unboxing for you guys. So I have the Honor 200. This actually came out May of last year. It was on sale here today. Jason was actually looking for a watch for his wife. I really wasn't planning on buying anything today, but I saw this. I wanted to get the pro version of this. They didn't have it, but they had the normal version, which is a little bit of a downgrade, but not that much of a downgrade as I go through it and show you guys. But let's go ahead and get this thing unboxed. So Honor is basically Huawei. If you look at any Huawei unboxing, it's gonna look just like this. White box is just gonna have Huawei whatever. Honor is basically the same thing. The only difference is Huawei doesn't have Google, where Honor has Google. So let's get started. And this is a 5G phone, 12 gigabytes of RAM, 256 gigs of storage. Now in Colombia, it only came in 2 colors, and we get the phone first. So this is a green. I don't know exactly what kind of green they call this. I'll find out. But this is a green phone. It was either green or pink, so I took the green one. You also get some paperwork and you get a clear case. I'm gonna rock this case for now until I find one I can replace, so I don't even have to see that green. But for now, I gotta use the clear case. I'll set that over there. And then we get a cable here, which is usually type A to type C. Yep, so we get a type A to type C, and we get a fast charger in the box. So this is a 100-watt brick. Yep, it's 100 watts. So pretty fast charging here. So 100 watt with the cable. Look at the phone and go around it. And I will tell you that this phone works on GSM as well as CDMA. So it doesn't matter which one you have, the phone will work. It feels like a screen protector's on here. I think it is. Yeah, there's some type of screen protector on here already. You do get 3 cameras here in the back. The first one is a 50 megapixel. The second one, that's the main camera, the first one. The second one is the telephoto. It's also 50 megapixel. And then this last one is the ultra wide, which is 12 megapixel. You do get a flash here on the back. A little bit of branding here from Honor. Does it say? And some other branding here. I'm not sure what that is. You have the sticker on here. As we look at the top, you get a speaker and a microphone here at the top. It does have stereo speakers. Coming over on the right side, you do get your volume rockers, kind of clicky. Your power button. Let's see if there's any power on this thing. It does have a in-screen fingerprint reader, so it does have some power on it. On the bottom, you get, looks like a microphone. You get stereo speakers, type C, and your SIM tray is here at the bottom. On the left side, looks like we got nothing here, so there's no expandable storage. So like I said, this is the 256 gig. Now this is an OLED display, not an AMOLED display, it's OLED. The camera here at the top is a 50 megapixel camera, and it does 4K 30 in the front as well as in the rear. So let me go ahead and get this thing set up. This is a 6.7 inch, by the way, curved display. So I know some people don't like the curved display, but I actually prefer the curved display on this. So it's a 90% screen to body ratio. It has very thin bezels. They're not that big on here, so that's not bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this up, guys, and I'll be right back to tell you a little bit more about it. All right, guys, I'm back. I have this thing all set up. So just to give you a couple more specs about this thing real quick. So this was released May 27th of last year, 2024. It's 187 grams. It has an OLED screen, 1 billion colors. It's 120 hertz. The peak brightness on this thing gets up to 4,000 nits, which is crazy. This is a 6.7 inch. It has a 1200 by 2864 pixels. It's a 436 PPI density. This has the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3. It's a 4 nanometer chip. It's Adreno 720. There's no extra card spot on here. So whatever you get for memory is what you got. So I only got the 256 gig, which is more than enough for me. And the SIM tray on here is a double-sided SIM tray. So if you needed to use another service besides your main service, you can put that in here and have both lines going. There is a eSIM on here. There is NFC on here. You do have that, and you can go from 256 all the way up to, I believe it's 1 terabyte on this thing. Yeah, you can get up to 1 terabyte. And this one has 12 gigabytes of RAM. It does have a lot of its own AI features, has this AI assistant here on the front. I just kind of copied what I had on my Surface Duo actually. So I had to put the drawer in. I'm used to having a drawer where before everything was just out here. So just like I like on my iPhone, I got one page of apps that I use the most on here. And then just whatever the news is that was already set on here by default. So I don't go crazy with a lot of this stuff, guys. I keep it basic because I value battery life a lot more than a big bright screen of colors and all that, right? So the camera I mentioned before, front facing camera, 50 megapixels. It does do 4K, 30 frames per second. There's no headphone jack. There's no memory card spot. I'm gonna make sure I mention that. I'm trying to think of anything else from getting. Yeah, it's a 100-watt charger, you know, that cord that came with it. And I was letting it charge for a little bit and it got up to 79%. And I think I've only had it out for about 20-25 minutes. So this thing's pretty fast. It does have reverse wireless charging that only supports about 5 watts. So you shouldn't expect a whole heck of a lot from that. But so far so good. It is light enough. I do like that to pair with my iPhone. And I got this that I'm going to use it for a little while because my Pixel phone died on me. Had my Pixel phone not died, I wouldn't have gotten another one. But instead of getting what people normally get, which is the Pixel or the Samsung, I'm gonna keep getting iPhones. I got too much Apple stuff not to get an iPhone, but I'm gonna go with some of the other phones from other places, these Android phones. So this Honor phone, which is really a Huawei phone, keeping it 100. This is the one that has the Google service where Huawei has no Google services. But so far so good. I do like it. I did do a short with video in 4K 30 on the rear for the shorts. And I'll do a night mode video on this, and then I'll do a day in the life with this thing. Probably coming up this Monday or Tuesday, I'll go somewhere and do a day in the life with it. But you know, it's pretty fast, 120 hertz. Can't complain. But again, I don't really use that feature a whole lot because I'm not scrolling through a lot of stuff. When it comes to YouTube, I mean, video quality, sound quality was pretty good. This is just a short. Let me see if I can bring something up real quick before I get up out of here. Oh, the short I just did. So this was the short. It was storming, guys. That's why it looks like that. It's storming outside here. So, but this is a short I just did real quick before I decided to finish up this video. It's gonna already be up and running, but okay, some notifications. But that's gonna be it though, guys. This is not bad. I'll probably do a blog with this. As a matter of fact, I may sit and do a blog with this and upload it as well. So this video is probably gonna come out on a Monday. This is a Thursday, so I'll probably drop it on Monday, and then there should be a follow-up video from this and a follow-up from some other stuff I've done as well. But that's it for now, guys. Hey, I appreciate everybody watching as always, and until the next time, guys, I'm out of here. Peace.